Here I am going to demonstrate you how to do the DC network analysis for the pure resistor circuit using LTSpice software. So you first need to go to the open the LTSpice and then go to the component library by selecting this model. By clicking here, you have to go and type VOLTAG voltage. Then press OK. Now place it here and from toolbar you can select resistor network 1, 2 and 3. Now I have to connect all this by using the wire tool. Now I am connecting this all the elements together. Once you are connecting all the elements together, then you need to select the ground node. By selecting the ground, now the network path is completed. For doing the DC analysis, you need to go to the simulate, then edit simulation command and DC operating point by selecting the .op as a syntax model, then pressing the OK. Now on pressing the simulation buttons, the result are obtained as shown here. Please note that the voltage source current is same as the current flowing through the resistor is both are connected in the series and the magnitude is shown as negative. This is because the LT spice follows the passive sign convention to indicate the direction of current flow. So the current which is entering at the positive terminal of the voltage source is minus 1 ampere. It means that the current which enters through the voltage source is minus 1 ampere. This is because of the passive sign convention which is to be implemented by the LTSpice software. So the magnitude of current which is flowing through the resistor R2 and R3 is 0.66 ampere and 0.33 ampere, which indicates the current flows from the node V to the ground. That is, the voltage drop across the passive resistor element is always positive. So the current indication of the resistor R2 and R3 is from top to bottom, and current that is flowing from the resistor R1, which is indicated by the LTSpice software, is from node B to node A because of the connection of the voltage source in series with the given circuit. Thank you so much.